This really helps to prevent breakage, because when you leave your hair for long, you're going to have lots of growth, but you definitely be losing some hair. But this will help to minimize breakage. Hello friends, welcome to Journey with Judy. Thanks for stopping by. So today I want to bring down to lose this hair. I've been on it for 6 weeks, okay? And I want to show what I do each time I leave my hair on a protective style for long. So whenever you leave your hair on a protective style, make sure you always wash it. I wash my hair twice a week. Yes, I do. I do some treatments. I don't just leave my hair like that. I do some treatments and I wash it twice a week. So today I want to lose it, and before losing my hair, this is what I usually do. I make sure I do some treatment because I have lots of growth. And if you're not careful, if you have lots of growth, if you're not careful, you also be losing lots of hair, so your aim will be defeated. So in order to prevent breakage while I'm losing it, I do something like this. So for this, I'll be using one egg. So I just need one egg. I need 1 spoon of milk. So I'll add 1 spoon of honey to it. I'm going to just stir it, mix it together. This really helps to prevent breakage, because when you leave your hair for long, you're going to have lots of growth, but you definitely be losing some hair. But this will help to minimize breakage. So I'm going to leave this on my hair for 20 minutes, wash it off, and come back. When I come back, I just finished washing it, and let's see what we have here. Then we'll proceed to losing of the hair. So I washed it with shampoo. So I'll be using my leave-in conditioner. So I'll apply a leave-in conditioner before I start losing it. So yeah, how do I look? So that is it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.